Hello, and welcome to the relaunch of When She No Longer Wants to Cook for You, Here's What You Do. Listen, this is a special episode, mainly because the person I have with me here, I actually have the person, my son, who inspired the show, and it's an honor to have him here. It's just really great. You know, I anybody who knows me knows how much I love my son and how much he means to me. And to have him actually here doing his own thing, I'm very proud of you. You always made me proud, and I just love the young man you're becoming. So I'm not trying to get all emotional, but this, I wake up every day thanking God that I'm his father. That's how much he means to me. I love him tremendously. So this is just wow to me. So I love you. So let's go. So we had our moment. Remy. Well, introduce yourself. What is your name?
My name is Remington.
Remington what?
Watkins.
Okay. Remington Watkins. Well, Remy, so I'm your dad. Let us know what you're cooking today. Because you have a lot of stuff going on here.
With all of this, today I'll be cooking nacho wings. It's essentially nacho breading all over the wings, and it's going to be good.
Okay, but how do you know it's going to be good?
Yo, this guy.
Okay, he says it's going to be good. Listen, like before, this is live, so you may hear car honk, you may hear dog growl. We ain't stopping. Once Remy's flying, he's flying. So listen, boom, we're back with the show. A lot of people ask me to bring it back. We're back. If you look at me, I got a beard now. I got a whole lot of other things going on. I'm married in a whole 9 yards. But that's going to go with the flow of things, and we're going to keep rocking. When She No Longer Wants to Cook for You, Remington Roman Watkins today is going to show us what to do. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. I'm Mr. Marcus' son, Remington. And I'm with my pal since second grade, Kareem.
My name is Kareem Peebles. I'm nice to be here today. I'm my best friend, Remington. We knew each other for a long time, and I'm glad to be here.
So, to start it off, this is going to be our glue for every seasoning from now on. So, olive oil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to apply it to every single corner. Mix that in. My hands are dirty. Can you pass me that right there? Just sprinkle that in for me.
Got you. All over there.
Ew. Thank you.
No problem.
Next thing, please.
Got you. What's up with that sazon?
Can't go wrong with sazon.
Exactly.
Got to get between every crevice with the seasoning.
Every single bit of it.
Next season. Be sure to rub this down, pat it. We do not want to be missing, like I said before, we do not want to be missing a spot on this chicken. That's smelling good.
It's coming in strong.
For our last thing, seasoned salt. Thank you.
No problem.
Don't even worry about the measurements. It's gonna be all for our last but not least, seasoned salt.
Yes, sir.
Then we mix this in real good. Since we are making nacho wings, we cannot forget about the tortilla breading right here. Hold on, give me a second. Thank you. So, our breading for the chicken nachos will be tortilla cup chips. So, what I would be doing is, I'll be blending this and make it a base for the bake. Now after a quick and thorough blend, it should be looking like this. Hold on, let me open this so I can show you better. It should be looking like this. After this, we'll be solid. So open this. Whew. Dang, that's real smoke. So now, after we've finished blending all this up, just lay it down, crumb it, lay it down over here. It's gonna be our base. This is gonna, like, I'm hungry, bro. This is gonna be good.
It's gonna be amazing when it come out.
It looks so good already. We barely started. The smell is like all those seasons before, plus that like nacho-y tortilla smell. It's everything that you want in a meal.
He said.
So welcome back to When She No Longer Wants to Cook for You, Here's What You Do. Now, with this and all the security and stuff like that, so what you need to do, if you're young like me or Kareem, you need to have supervision from adults or somebody accompanying you, whether it be an older sister, brother, parent, whatever. You can't just go in unsupervised. Like, accidents may happen and nobody knows. So what I'm gonna do next is gonna put my wings in the pan. Just gonna lay out one by one. And I'll show you the finished product when I'm finished. So, I also got me some Nathan's fries. You hold up for them?
That's some french fries right here. You want to put it in this pan?
So, for the wings, it'll be $4.25 for 30 minutes. Same with the fries. So, I don't think I could fit all this in one tray. It's okay. We'll just get another.
Gotta make do.
Gotta make do. So, this is what it looks like. Into the oven we go. So, for $4.25, 35 minutes. Here goes the wings. Put it on the top tray. And here comes the fries. So, for 30 minutes, 425. So originally, it goes in for 35 minutes, but I removed the 5 minutes just in case to let us know early. So we're gonna periodically check on this and see how this comes out. That's looking good, Kareem. That's looking good. Welcome back to When She No Longer Wants to Cook for You. Alright, as you can hear in the background, you may hear a little beeping. The fries are still in the oven. They look crispy and I'm getting hungrier as I speak. So, with the wings, all we need to do is assemble the cheese, scallions, jalapeno, and extra spread. Alright, so I would do that now.
You gotta come out great.
This is looking good.
Amazing.
It smells so good. Even the dog is going crazy in the room. This is a delicacy. We gotta be careful. Make sure this is perfect. This is looking out. This is. I'm hungry.
What is it?
Oh, you got the scallions. I got the jalapenos.
Yes, sir.
Ready when you are.
Alright, spread some more cheese over here.
Hurry up! I'm trying to eat.
Alright, let's go.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. That vinegary, spicy smell really brings it all together, especially with the pepper jack. This is
with that jalapeno.
This is looking like a masterpiece. Like, get that spot right there. Just now the fries should be ready to take out right now. Now, we fully assembled the chicken nachos. Now all we need, take out the fries. When she no longer wants to cook for you, here's what you do. My fault, guys. I gotta put this back in the oven. This cheese gotta melt. This is looking major, guys. Like, now that everything is cooked, we're gonna add on the toppings right now. So,
It's looking amazing, bro.
ooh, that's hot. Y'all see this cheese pool? Yo, look at this. Getting me a jalapeno too.
Yes, sir.
No, this is
That's
looking.
greatness right there.
That is greatness right there. Now,
Look at that.
when you're at a party, I'm being fancy for no reason. And then it's simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. That looks good. Now, when she no longer wants to cook for you, this is what you do.
Okay, listen, this is the best part of the show. Listen, these boys had this place cooking, man. I love these guys. This is my son. This is like my nephew. These boys did the damn thing, and I'm so proud of them. Guys, it's smelling crazy in here. So what am I smelling?
You smelling nacho wings. Like, you got technically 5 cheeses on here. Mexican, pepper jack, American, shredded.
Okay, I don't want to hear no more. I want to eat now. So where's my plate? Where's my plate?
Right there.
All right. This is... that's smelling good. Can I get a fork? Can I get that fork right there?
Got you.
You know what? I'm going to pick it up.
Pick
You got
it up.
guacamole here too?
Guacamole. We got everything.
Damn, it's like a little party. All jokes aside, this smells really good, guys.
How it taste though?
Good.
Damn.
Take another bite. That silence is speaking. That silence is speaking.
That is so amazing. Is this the first time you guys try cooking this?
Yeah.
I'm loving this. I'm loving this. You got the guac. You got the seasoning. When I bite into the chicken, when I get past the cheese flavor, I'm then getting into the crumbs. And then from that, I'm getting into the seasoning. This is amazing, guys. Have you guys ever cooked before?
Yeah.
Sorta.
No. I don't want y'all going to school and being like, yo, trying to scoop the grill, but like, yeah, you know I got a cooking show, right? You know I really do this, right? I gotta say, I do a little something in it. So we ain't doing that. But guys, this smells amazing. When she no longer wants to cook for you, my guys just showed us what to do. This is a great meal. It's like a little appetizer, or you having your people over. This is phenomenal. On a more serious note, I'm really proud of them because they work good together. It's their first time they've been on camera together, but since they boys, it was just beautiful. So I'm proud of you guys. We got to do this again, all right? So now you got to up it up. Now you got to do better. You can't come back on the show talking about peanut butter and jelly. So we got to come back with some real stuff. Listen, have a good night. We're out of here. When she no longer wants to cook for you, they just showed us what to do. Have a good night, y'all.